हेलो गाइस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे यूएसए ईरान एंड इसराइल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के बारे में। ठीक है, जो वार चल रही हैं, जो झगड़े चल रहे हैं। जून 2025 वाई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट स्टार्ट क्यों हुआ, झगड़ा क्यों स्टार्ट हुआ। हिस्ट्रिकल बैकग्राउंड के पीछे जाते हैं तो ईरान हुई एज इसराइल ईरान डजंट एक्सेप्ट एज अ legitimate country. Support groups against it like Hamas, Hezbollah, and Iran nuclear program. Iran has been working on nuclear energy since the 1950s, and by the 2025 it had the uranium close to being used in a nuclear bomb. Proxy war. Iran helps group that attack Israel and USA. Recent target. Israel attack June 13, 2025 called the Operation Rising Lion. Israel bombing Iran's nuclear and military sites to stop it from making nuclear weapons. The failed talks between Iran and USA के बीच में जो ताक हुई वो फेल हो गई. न्यूक्लियर एजेंसी ने कहा that Iran was not following the rule, and the USA joins June 22, 2025. The USA bombed 3 Irani nuclear sites, directly joining the flight. Main goals of each country: Israel stop Iran's nuclear program, weakens Iran's military. Control the Middle East power balance. Iran related with the missiles attacked Tel Aviv, Haifa, and protect government image and possibly rush to build a nuclear bomb for protection. United States support Israel and prevent Iran from gaining too much power, avoiding full regional war, but Trump escalated it. अब जो असर हुआ, impact of the conflict. Human lose Iran over 240 killed, 1,200 injured, city and hospital damage. Israel 24 killed, 685 injured, missiles damage in cities. Military impact जो हुआ, Iran lost many missiles, leaders and nuclear sites. Israel defense system were working but under pressure and expensive. USA bombed Iran, rising chance of large war. And here you go, the global effect जो हुआ, दुनिया में जो असर हुआ वर्ल्ड वाइड में. ऑयल प्राइस राइजिंग, अटैक ऑन ऑयल facility and start of Hormuz cause economic fear, tension worldwide. Russia supports Iran weekly, but China stay neutral. Middle path, UN divided. Results so far as of June 2025. Israel damage Iran's nuclear program, but not completely. For though site is still active, Iran is hitting back with the missiles, but hasn't stopped Israel. USA airstrikes show strong support for Israel. Rising war with the Iran And the possible solution is diplomacy, ceasefire talk, Iran ready to neglect it if Israel stop attacking. UN role could force ceasefires and investigate Israel's actions. Arab countries could help de-escalate military phase. And Israel stop attacking if Iran shows nuclear work. Iran limit retaliation to avoid war with the USA. Long-term new nuclear deal stricter rules and benefits for Iran to stay peaceful. Peace agreement between USA, Israel, Iran. Arab states to stop proxy war impact on Pakistan because of Balochistan. Okay, border closed crossing with Iran and Taftan closed to avoid Baloch insurgent issue and separatist danger if Iran collapses. Baloch rebels in Pakistan may get stronger and sea training risk, Shia Sunni tension may rise and economic maybe oil crisis, oil high price can worsen inflation and load shedding in Pakistan. Trade loose, informal trade with Iran in Balochistan disrupt diplomacy. The balancing act. Pakistan support Iran sovereignty but doesn't want to upset USA, means he is in middle path. And regionation instability, more conflict could hurt Pakistan's safety and economic public sentiment. People angry at Israel and the USA could lead the protest. Refuge fear if Iran government fails. Refuge many enter Pakistan like Afghani crisis. And comparison with the past war. Here is